Chapter 5. Spiritual education is not religious education. It means more. Generally speaking, spirituality and religiousness are not considered synonymous. Spirituality is about human quest for meaning, purpose, self-transcending knowledge, meaningful relationships, as well as connectedness with others. We could conclude that conventionally, spirituality can be defined broadly as a sense of connection to something higher than ourselves. But for today, we emphasize the personal growth and inner peace of individuals rather than a relationship with the divines. People search for meaning of their lives.
The list below does provide starting pointers. Many of the concepts are understandable in spirituality of aging in a non-religious context. Need for support in dealing with loss. Need to transcend circumstances. Need to be forgiven and to forgive. Need to find meaning, purpose, and hope. Need to love and serve others. Need for unconditional love. Need to feel that God is on their side. Need to be thankful. Need to prepare for death and dying. Need for continuity. Need for validation and support of religious behavior. Need to engage in religious behaviors. Need for personal dignity and sense of worthiness. Need to express anger and doubt.
We could summarize that there is a growing shared understanding that meaning-making and life review are important spiritual processes which can manifest themselves in a variety of ways. Value or meaning of life in this lesson, anti-aging, is quality of life. We don't want aging, illness. We want both quantity, longevity, and quality, healthy. Most people choose shortivity with good health instead of longevity with poor health. Bath qigong provide energy, helping you raise your quality of your life. Remember the electric box in the first chapter? Qi is a concept from traditional Chinese culture that means vital energy, information, breath, and spirit. Qigong is the skill cultivated through steady practice. Therefore, qi is a source of energy that flows inside your body when you are practicing qigong, which then cultivate quality of life. Every person do have the source of energy, but not all know how to generate the energy. You now know the meaning of life and the source of energy in our life. During the Bath qigong practicing, please remember yourself this spiritual dimension. Another thing I want you to do is to be conscious while practicing Bath qigong. Please always be conscious and aware of what you are doing. Beware of the qi flowing in your body. We could alive because blood is flowing along our body, bring nutrients to all organs. Aware of blood is inherently aware of qi, as qi is flowing along our body and immersed into each self, nourishing them. In Bath qigong, if qi is the matter, gong is the form, and then breathing is the crucial techniques facilitating the form. Breathing is an important action, but not everybody. Be aware of its healing power. Be mindfulness to your breathing. Let us have a trial. Be following the instruction below.
Allow your eyes to close or keep them open with a softened gaze. Begin by taking several long, slow, deep breaths. Breathing in fully and exhaling fully. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose or mouth. breath to find its own natural rhythm. Bring your full attention to noticing each in death. Bring your full attention to noticing each in breath as it enters your nostrils, travel down to your lungs, and causes your belly to expand. And notice each out-breath as your belly contracts and air moves up through the lungs, back up through the nostrils or mouth. Invite your full attention to flow with your breath. If your mind wanders to thoughts, plans, or problems, simply notice your mind wandering. Watch the thoughts as it enters your awareness as neutrally as possible. Then, practice letting go of the thoughts as if it were a leaf floating down a stream. In your mind, place each thought that arises on the leaf and watch as it flows out of sight down the stream. Then bring your attention back to your breath. Your breath is an anchor you can return to over and over again when you become distracted by thoughts. You might become distracted by pain or discomfort. You might become distracted by pain or discomfort in the body, or triggering or itching sensations that draw your attention away from the breath. You may also notice feelings arising, perhaps sadness or happiness, frustration or contentment. Acknowledge whatever comes up, including thoughts or stories about your experience. Simply notice where your mind went without judging it, pushing it away, clinging to it, or wishing it were different, and simply refocus your mind and guide your attention back to your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Follow the air all the way in and all the way out. Mindfully be present moment by moment with your breath. If your mind wanders away from your breath, just notice without judging it. Be it a thought, emotion, or sensation that holds your attention, and gently guide your awareness back to your breathing.
So I would like to invite you, put your focus on the body movement and the breathing and your mind simultaneously. Knowing how to breathe is the key to open the box of discovering the matter. Knowing how to practice the gong is the key to open the box of discovering qi, the matter. Knowing your own existence, that is what you are doing, is the key to open the box of discovering qi, matter. Knowing how to let qi flowing in your body, you are coming to success of being young and healthy. 53 equal to 35 is not a slogan, it is a spiritual conversion indeed. 53 may be your age, but the qi inside yourself is